6 essential tips for buying your first car. Buying your first car is a major milestone, especially if you're using your own hard-earned money. Amid the excitement, it's easy to lose focus, but choosing your first car is a big deal and should be approached with care. Here are 6 essential tips to keep in mind to make the process smoother and ensure you make a decision you won't regret. 1. Budget wisely. Before you dive into car shopping, set a clear budget. It's not just about the purchase price. Remember to factor in ongoing costs like insurance, fuel, maintenance, and taxes. Aim to find a car that fits comfortably within your budget. If you're financing, consider the down payment and monthly loan payments. 2. New versus used. Decide whether you want a new or used car. New cars come with the latest features, a full warranty, and no previous wear and tear. But they come with a higher price tag. Used cars can be more budget-friendly, but might have higher maintenance costs and less warranty coverage. If you opt for a used car, make sure to get a vehicle history report and have it inspected by a mechanic to avoid any surprises. 3. Assess your needs. Think about what you need from your car. Consider factors like the number of passengers, cargo space, fuel efficiency, and your driving habits. If you have a long commute, fuel efficiency should be a priority. For a growing family, ample space and safety features are crucial. 4. Research reliability and safety. Do thorough research on the reliability and safety of the cars you're considering. Look up consumer reviews, reliability ratings, and safety scores from trusted sources. Seek cars known for their durability and equipped with safety features like airbags, anti-lock brakes, and stability control. A reliable and safe car will offer you peace of mind and potentially save you money in repairs. 5. Test drive the car. Never buy a car without taking it for a test drive. A test drive gives you a feel for the car's handling, comfort, and performance. Pay attention to how the car drives, the responsiveness of the controls, and overall comfort. Testing multiple cars will help you compare and find the one that suits you best. 6. Review the total cost of ownership. Consider the total cost of ownership, which includes more than just the purchase price. Look at insurance premiums, fuel costs, maintenance, and repairs. Some cars are more expensive to insure or maintain, so get insurance quotes and research typical maintenance costs before making your decision. By keeping these essential tips in mind, you'll be better prepared to make an informed choice when buying your first car.